Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Basket Ballroom Turn. Knowing how to do a First Move Ballroom Turn would be a really good idea. Knowing how to do a basket would be a really good idea. Links to those in the description below in case you want to look at them, and that'll mean it's easy and quick for you to find them. Jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now when you're doing a ballroom turn, you can have the forces where you're kind of coming in very close to each other and trying to squeeze it in as tight as possible as you go around, or you can do the opposite, which is where you put the forces away and it's like you're leaning out from each other and you let the turn hold everything together. This is going to be more the latter than the former. So we start off like a standard basket. We come in. Now from here, we could have squeezed everything in, but actually we're going to leave the hand out. Ladies, push out. The guy's going to increase his tone, so you want to match his tone, and you want to pull on the hand, which is in on the hip, which is going to give you a little bit more strength for what's coming up. So you're going to try and maintain this open, this slightly more open shape. We're going to go back with the right foot together. Guy's foot goes between the lady's feet, then all the left feet go forwards, and all the right feet go back. All the left feet go forwards, and then it's just twist the lady out into the basket. And at that point, you can collapse back down to a standard basket position. You could go around the corner now, but we're going to do a legacy basket exit because it actually feels nicer after having done the turn, which basically means we're just going to walk the lady forwards, lift the left hand up, lady walks out into a straight line, turn face, return and back. Same thing from the other side, and we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, wrapping 2. We're going to turn for 3 and 4 and twist out 5, walking out 6, facing 7, returning 8 and back 1. So here we go. Let's try it together. It's 5, 6, a basket ballroom turn. We go a back, wrap, turn, turn, twist, away, look, return and back. Easy as that. Hope you enjoy that. Tell your friends, let them play with that same as you do. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. And we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.